वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल डिजिटल वर्ल्ड यूए। इस सीरीज़ के अंदर हम लोग HTML के कोड को देखेंगे फ्रॉम बिगनिंग टू एडवांस, हाउ वी कैन राइट HTML कोड फ्रॉम बिगनिंग टू एडवांस. First of all, we have to download two softwares, Notepad++ and VS Code. You can do your code in any of these softwares. So go to the browser. Here in the search bar, you can type Notepad++. Click the first link. Click the first link this. Okay, scroll down your screen and press the download button. Depending upon your net speed, your software will be start downloading like this. Okay, open another tab and type here VS Code. Okay, click your first link. Okay, here click download for Windows. Okay, Visual Studio Code setup is also going to start and soon it will be downloaded. Notepad++ is downloaded. We will click here. Okay, let's start the process of installing the Notepad++. Follow these simple steps to install this software. Here you will have to write the path where you want to install your software. Click next and then click install. Your software will be starting installing in your PC. Okay, finish. Okay, this is the interface of Notepad++. You will open here File tab and then New, and here you will start writing your HTML code. Now wait for the Visual Studio Code. You can see here that your software is downloading. It will take few minutes depending upon your net speed. Okay, now we have downloaded our software. Let's install it. Double click the software, File, click on this I accept the agreement, next option, next. You can change the path of the folders where you want to install your software. Okay, this is your interface. Here you have to an extra thing. You will go in this option, that is the extension tab. Click here, HTML. You can download any of them. To run your code, you have to download another extension, that is open in browser. Click on install button. After downloading these extensions, you will click here on this icon, create an folder where you want to save your files. It can be on your desktop, or I have already made this folder HTML. Select folder. Okay. Now You can add another new file by clicking this icon. Name your file, for example, example.html. Okay, and now you can write your code here. If you find this video informative, then please like the video, subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon button for the future notification.